Hey guys, as I promised, I'm here in Tokyo, in Japan. I'm in the middle of the photography workshop with Moisés Saman. This is my Ricoh GR IV. This is the camera I'm using right now with the GF2 Flash. The project that I'm doing with my son, I'll have to talk to him to see if he agrees to book the pictures I'm taking him in Tokyo. Now it's starting to rain. This is Shinjuku, one of the hearts of Tokyo. By the way, I was in one of the most famous photography stores in Tokyo. It's right here, has 6 floors. It's amazing. Kitamura camera, so I'm gonna show it to you. They didn't allow me to, it's right there, didn't allow me to record, to film inside. I totally understand. Maybe I'm in macro mode, yeah. That's one of the problems of the GR4 is that the macro button, I have to change it because sometimes I press it and then I cannot take any pictures at all. So I don't like taking random pictures. I work always with projects. So the project I'm working on now is with my son. He's 19 years old and I'm mixing photos that I took him from 16 years ago when he was like 3 years old, just 3 years old, and mixing them with the pictures here in Tokyo. And it's like having this time with my kid alone, reflecting of our relationship. So he's enjoying it so much because what I'm doing is like taking pictures that I have in my head that I took him 16 years ago when he was just 3 years old. It's kind of amazing because it reflects patterns all the way, like patterns of gestures, patterns of behavior, patterns of scenery. I'll take some random pictures so you can see the GR4 in action, but again, I don't work that way. I'm not like a street photographer. I document my life. I have thousands and thousands of pictures from my family and my work and how everything is interconnected. By the way, I am shooting RAW plus JPEG, and I have the Cinegreen new recipe on the GR4. I have with me the Leica Q3, but I hardly used it. It's like I don't need it because I feel freer with this camera in this situation. Of course, the Leica Q3 is a wonderful camera. I'm in love with that camera, but it's like for other things. It's not for journaling. So we're about to cross. You can go with this camera so. For example, this guy. Or this girl, 1.5 meters. You don't have to look at the screen even. You can, one of the beautiful things of these cameras, that you can look at this, the photos after. Because you can take like thousands of photos. Look at this camera, it's a big one. That's a cat over there. So I'll have to, adjust the exposure, and boom, we're good. Beautiful. So Tokyo is prepping for Christmas. You can see Christmas everywhere now. Look at those amazing skyline. It's like being in Barcelona. So let's go to the famous crossing in Shinjuku. I'm sorry. Yeah, I like it. So let's start crossing. In these crossings, I usually like to go like this. Like this. And even maybe you can see the reflections here or something. Nope. It is like we're moving with the music. So mine exchange. I like this picture. Okay, he was moving. See if it works. This crossing is you know, I have to remember that I have the Insta360 Go Ultra in my chest because it can fall. It's like a magnet, but the thing is that I have a very thick coat. Many people coming down from this thing like this. I'm starting to use the flash. The flash is more intimidating. People get angry with the flash, and I get it. I would get angry. It's like, what are you doing? Why are you taking a photo without my permission? But the thing is, when you're crossing, if you crouch a little bit, you have the perspective of the buildings, and it works very well. It was like, that's great. People want to hit me in the face, but I'm okay. It's getting dark. I think I'm gonna use the flash. People's gonna get mad at me. Some of them not. May I take a picture? Thank you. Can I take a picture? No, I won't. If they say no, I won't take the picture. I'm so polite. May I take a picture? Thank you. This is a lot of fun. Yeah, this is a beautiful spot. Can I take a picture? Thank you. I say, can I take a picture? When I'm taking a picture, so it's like a trap. I'm all the time checking on the mic. I'm happy because I have some pictures with the flash. Shinjuku is like never-ending streets, buildings. Can I take a picture? No? Okay. Yeah, but this? Oh, I like this. So,
未成年者が深夜に街を徘徊していると犯罪に巻き込まれる恐れがあります。
I don't know where I'm going, if that's the point. I'm going to a photo bookstore now. It's called Cow Books. I'm going to 12 Books also here. It is the most famous one. But Cow Books, it's also a very, very famous photo bookstore here. I didn't know about it. Moisés, the teacher, told me that it's a wonderful photo bookstore. What if I have a flash on here? Wow. So they're working with the flowers and everything. I think it's a beautiful scene. Yeah. What if I do the... Okay, kind of worked. Well, this is a wonderful detail. Like the shoes and everything. So let's go that way. Okay. Look, I think I'm going in the subway, maybe to have a coffee, espresso, and then I'll let you see the photos that I'm taking. I've been shooting for 27 minutes. I'm going to stop now, and thanks for being with me this whole time.